Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-150 Super Crew with the 4x4 and Lariat packages. That engine is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. This also has the FX4 off-road package. See that it does have floodlights, tow hooks, alloy wheels, fixed running boards. Also has a power sliding back window. There's your receiver right there for your tow package. All right, so go ahead and take a tour of the interior. See, it does have a 110 volt outlet there and 2 additional power outlets. Keypad, which I use in my F-150 all the time. And your VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as I know we go through this fairly quickly. 3 driver presets. Alright, and see that it has 29,140 miles on this vehicle. There's your trip computer, toggles, and then you have your cruise control, your push to talk, and your stereo. You know, push button start down there, 2 and 4 wheel drive. Your trailering controls are all in one place, which is super convenient. You have heated or cooled front seats. You have Ford Select Shift and your shifter. There's your key fob. You have push button start. All right, and you got cup holder, additional stowage down there, phone charging station down in here. And then you have another 110 volt outlet right here. There are your climate controls, your audio, which your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, or Bluetooth. And then here are your apps and settings. And then there's your compass as well. And if we put it in reverse, there's your HD backup camera, and then you also have backup sensors. And up above, you'll have your controls for your dual panoramic sunroofs. All right, and that about does it for this Ford on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up front and center right here. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.